If you're looking for a seamless way to integrate Monday.com with Zoom to streamline your team's workflows, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, we'll dive into how to get this integration up and running, and I'll even share some alternatives that could be a better fit for your specific goals, so stick around until the end for that. Let's jump right in. The first thing you need to do is connect your Zoom account with Monday.com. To start, head over to the Integrations tab within your Monday.com board. Once there, you'll see a long list of possible apps you can integrate with, including Zoom. You'll simply click on the Zoom integration, and it'll prompt you to connect your Zoom account. You'll need to sign in and give Monday.com the permissions it needs to access your Zoom account. Next thing, let's talk about what happens after the integration is set up. Monday.com allows you to schedule and launch Zoom meetings directly from your boards. You can easily add a Zoom meeting to any task or project, so when you click on that task, you'll see a link to the Zoom meeting right there. It's super convenient for keeping everything centralized, especially when working on a team project. But while this is a great feature, I have to point out that the process can be a little clunky for new users. Setting up recurring meetings or syncing your calendar in real time isn't as intuitive as it could be. The third thing you'll want to keep in mind is that Monday.com allows you to use Zoom for direct updates within the platform. When you're inside a meeting, you can record and share it back to your task or project. This helps keep all of your meeting notes and actions in one place. But depending on your needs, the Zoom integration isn't as robust as it could be. Some teams report that it lacks advanced meeting management features like participant tracking or deep analytics, which could be a deal breaker for those who need more detailed Zoom insights. The fourth thing to consider is automating your workflows. Monday.com allows you to set up automation that triggers certain actions based on Zoom events. For example, you can set an automation to notify your team when a Zoom meeting starts or ends, or send follow-up reminders. But if you're looking for deep customization and workflow automations, you might find this feature a bit limiting compared to other platforms. And here's the part that could change the game for you. While Monday.com and Zoom work well together, there are alternatives that might do a better job of integrating Zoom with your specific needs. If you're more focused on advanced Zoom analytics or a smoother meeting experience, tools like Asana or ClickUp may be more in line with your goals. These platforms tend to offer a more integrated, robust experience with Zoom, especially if your team relies heavily on meeting data and productivity insights. Now, if you still want to use Monday.com for your project management, but need something a little more seamless and with better Zoom functionality, I've got an exclusive deal for you. Through the link in the description, you'll get an extended free trial to Monday.com, plus access to some awesome features you won't find elsewhere. And if you're open to exploring other options, I'll also share alternatives that come with their own free trials, giving you a better chance of finding a solution that suits your needs. By the way, the trial link will give you access to exclusive benefits only available to our viewers, so make sure to check that out. That's all for today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to explore the best options for integrating Zoom with your project management tools.